the bailout needs a bailout. 2 months after AIG was given that first emergency government loan, it's getting another lifeline.
This restructure package will allow AIG to continue to restructure themselves in a way that will not hurt the overall economy.
AIG is the largest insurance company in the U.S.
And we touch most of the global financial institutions we touch in one way or another. We've got 76 million policyholders. It's really important for us to do well.
But AIG lost $24 billion in the last quarter. In the new rescue package, the government will invest $40 billion to buy AIG stock, buy more than $50 billion worth of the company's toxic mortgage securities, and loan AIG $60 billion at a lower interest rate. In turn, the company has to accept a freeze on executive bonuses.
The question is do we trust their word? And I got to tell you, the trust is running out. AIG spent $200,000.
Congressman Elijah Cummings has been a critic of how AIG has been spending its bailout money.
We cannot be just like a spigot that just keeps running and running and running, and anytime you want to come back for, a bucketful, you come back. The government just cannot afford to continue to do that.
But the company's government-appointed CEO wouldn't rule out going back to the well.
What you can't predict, and no one knows, what's going to happen with the worldwide global capital markets. Are they going to stay the same, get better, or get worse? That, of course, is the wild card.
In other bailout news, the White House signaled it's now willing to consider helping the auto companies. At the same time, a major bank predicted GM stock would fall to zero within the year. That's right, $0. In other words, they think GM is essentially worthless. Katie?
So if that's the case, why would the government want to bail out GM?
In one word, jobs, Katie. When you add in the supporting companies, the suppliers, there are about 2.5 million jobs connected to the auto industry. Losing them would, of course, be devastating for the economy.
Plus, GM going under would be hugely symbolic.
Psychologically huge.
All right. Anthony Mason. Thanks, Anthony. And